It tastes like my childhood, and that Cool Whip frosting, that is gonna go on everything from now on.
Banana pudding cake is made with cake mix and 2 secret ingredients that make it taste completely homemade.
These look really disgusting. These are bananas that I froze in their little peels, their little jackets. When you have bananas that you've bought too many or you didn't eat them and they're overripe but you're not in the mood to bake, pop them in the freezer in their peels, and then you have the perfect bananas for baking. So I'm just gonna smash these. I have a little potato masher here. You can use a fork. 3 large eggs, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. So you need less oil because we have that banana in there. It's another thing I love about using oil in recipes is that you don't actually have to use a mixer if you don't want to.
Bake it at 350 until a toothpick comes out clean.
This is a banana pudding frosting. So we are starting with Cool Whip, a little bit of milk, and I have instant banana pudding. So I'm gonna stir this all together until it's nice and smooth. And now that it's all put together, I'm gonna just set this aside until that cake is nice and cool, and then we'll frost it.
And just spread it all over the top of that cake.
This banana pudding typically has some sort of cookie, and it's usually either like a shortbread chessman cookie or vanilla wafer. So that's it. We have our banana pudding cake with banana cake and banana pudding frosting. And let's give it a taste. It tastes like my childhood, and that Cool Whip frosting, that is gonna go on everything from now on. That is a hack that you need to remember, like outside of this cake. Cool Whip, a little milk, and any kind of instant pudding. Oh, perfect. This cake is so good.